Hi everyone, I hope I did this right. I'm gonna wait for a couple of people to join, but I want to say it is so nice to see you guys this way. I know it's been a very long time. Yes, I want to make this session a really interactive one. I want to try and answer as many questions as I can. Let's keep this about V, because the more you know, I think the more fun you're going to have watching it on September 5th. So I have a couple of questions here. Please bear with me if I take some time to scroll and choose one. Okay, I'm going to start right now. All right. Okay, I'm going to start with this. So, say something about your character and Nani sir, asks Nadi Naluri. Na character peru Apurva, Vilo. చాలా కాన్ఫిడెంట్ అయిన అమ్మాయి. ఒక గోల్ ఉంది, ఆ గోల్ అచీవ్ చేయడానికి ఆ అమ్మాయి మెథడ్ కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. షీఈస్ వెరీ అన్అపాలజెటిక్, confident person, and I was able to see a lot of interesting characteristics between her and me. I think ఇంకా ఏముందో అది మీరు మూవీ చూసేటప్పుడు మీకే అర్థమవుతుంది. అండ్ నాకు ఆ అమ్మాయి మధ్యలో ఉన్న ఆ సిమిలర్ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ ఏంటో అది మూవీ తర్వాత డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఐ కాంట్ సే అబౌట్ ఇట్ నౌ. అబౌట్ నాని సార్, Nani is such a dear friend of mine. I am so happy to be a part of his milestone 25th film. చాలా సంతోషం. నాకు నానితో వర్క్ చేయడం ఎంత ఇష్టమో అంత ఇష్టం మీకు చూడ్డానికి అని తెలుస్తున్నప్పుడు that is a really wonderful thing, and hopefully we get to do many more movies in the future. Okay, going to the next one. This is a good one. Okay. Mariyala Divya, I hope I said it right. What's your expression when you heard you're going to act in this film? Honestly, నేను ఇంట్లో కూర్చుని ఏదో చూస్తున్నాను టీవీలో. అప్పుడు మోహన్ సార్ కాల్ చేశారు. మోహన్ సార్ నేను ఎప్పుడు మాట్లాడుతూనే ఉంటాం, కానీ ఈసారి కాల్ చేసేటప్పుడు దేర్ ఇస్ దిస్ వన్ మూవీ అన్నప్పుడే నేను ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయా దట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు బీ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ అని. బికాస్ see, it's lovely, absolutely lovely. It's a joy to be working with Mohan sir and this team, where I did my debut with this team. So many people in this team I've worked with before, so I just couldn't say no. So my expression was, I was like, great, cool, when are we starting shoot? Ade anukunna. Okay, moving on. Interesting. Bhargavi Alluri asks, I think she meant, are you a cop in V? Very interesting. Hold on to that thought. Thank you. Someone says Apurva's name is Love. Thank you. I really liked her name too. Let me see. I'm going to scroll down to find some of the first questions. Okay, this is an interesting one. Dinesh22 has asked, if you get a chance to act in V movie remake in other languages, will you accept or decline? Usually I prefer not to work in the remakes of my films in other languages, because ఒకసారి అది చేసిన తర్వాత I don't know, I've not felt like wanting to do it in another language. ఎందుకంటే audiences are watching, everyone's watching all good films regardless of language. So I don't know, we'll see, maybe in the future, but no plans now. All right. Shravani Gogu has said, we are eagerly waiting for V. I am too. నేను వి ఫైనల్ కట్ చూడలేదు, మీరులాగే ఎదురు చూస్తున్నాను. I am absolutely kicked about it. And this is such a new experience also because it's coming directly on OTT. The first day first show feeling of watching it in theaters is unparalleled. It's a very different vibe altogether. Nevertheless, I think 12 o'clock release అయిపోతుంది and together in 200 plus countries. So I think I'm really, really looking forward to seeing how people respond to it. What's my character in the film? I already spoke about that. Right, okay. Amruta Dasari has asked, what's my feeling acting with Sudhir and Nani, I guess. Okay, so it's my first time working with Sudhir, and I think Sudhir is a brilliant actor. I was really inspired by his discipline towards getting the role, looking the part, especially. Whenever you're talking about, wanting to look the part in terms of bodily transformation, it takes a lot of discipline. And he made it look so easy, but I bet it wasn't. So I learned a lot of discipline and how you can contain your temptation, especially with food and eating and all of that. And with Nani, of course, it was amazing, as always. All right. Okay. All right, I'm going to take this one just to... Vijay Kumar 44 has asked, is your upcoming movie with Pawan Kalyan, sir? Yes. We have completed most of filming, and it's my next film after V is going to be Vakil Saab in Telugu. Next one. Let me see, I'm quickly going to take another 5 questions. Okay. A lot about experience working with Nani and... Okay. Okay, this is a good one. What's your favorite song in the movie V? Naveen Duvi has asked. My favorite song in V has to be Vastuna Vachestunna. I think I instantly fell in love with that song for more than one reasons. Adi వింటున్నప్పుడు ఒకలాగా ఉంటుంది, but when you're trying to associate it with the characters in the film, that's a completely... It just elevates the whole relationship between the two people. And I think it set the tone for how I was perceiving the visuals of the film, and it just came out extraordinarily, and I'm so happy. Vastuna Vachestunna is my favorite song. Right. Hi everyone, I'm so sorry నేను questions choose చేస్తున్నాను కాబట్టి I'm not able to say hi to a lot of you all. If this is in relation with the song, I found this question interesting. Shashank 55 has asked, how did you learn dance? Perfectly, I don't know, but this is the most I've danced in a song in a film. For Baby Touch Me Now, we had to rehearse. I mean, it wasn't them showing me and then I did it immediately. No, we rehearsed for a couple of days, and then we ended up with that. I think our choreographer Vijay Master was extremely kind to take time to set up storyboards and come up with the right kind of movements and interaction between Sudhir and I through dance, so that it didn't look off the story. Thank you. All right. Aditya Kiran online has asked, ma'am, what's the role of Aditi Rao's ma'am's in the film? She was not there in the trailer. Yes, it was a conscious choice to not show her character in the trailer. But you're going to see so much of her post the release. She's such a fantastic actor, and her character is going to be beautiful in this film. I can assure you that. Okay. Let me see. My upcoming movies I've spoken about. There are a couple of films that couple of narrations and discussions that we had during the lockdown virtually. It was a new experience also listening to stories this way. A couple of them are very interesting, but I'll share those with you when it's the right time. All right, I think most of it are yes. Oh, I don't think I can not answer this question. I'm so sorry. Favorite food in Andhra? Okay. Ajay Reddy 007 has asked this. Okay. My favorite food, one of my most favorite food has to be ulavacharu. Like just warm rice, ulavacharu and some potato fry and I'm done. I'm gonna keep answers on. Oh, are you getting me your mom's paniyarams? Anju, okay, I'm gonna tell Amma to make it right now. Right, okay, this is an interesting one. Kiranmay has asked me, in your film career, what is your favorite movie, ma'am, and why? It's so difficult to pick one. This may sound like a very cliched answer, but really, each of these films have been so close to me in so many ways. It's so hard to pick one. Kani okka film cheppalante, it would be a tie between. It's so difficult. A film which is very close to my heart is Ninukori, and a character which is extremely one character that I cannot let go of is Mitra from Rocheva Revarura. And probably my very, very first film, which I played as a child artist in Malayalam, called Verde Orubaria. I think these three will have to be my most favorite films. Somebody has asked coffee or tea. Depends on my mood, but coffee. Okay. Kundur Chandrahas Reddy has asked how many days took for shooting of this movie. I believe you're asking me about V. I think I completed my work in under 25 days, but the full movie was done probably under 105 days, I think. 102 to be exact, I think. Okay. All right. I'm going to scroll down to see if there is any other question regarding V. If not, I'm going to... Okay. Okay. Rakesh Jabka, I hope I pronounced it right. What is your team's reaction? Okay, what is my and my team's reaction when V is in OTT release? All right. So this was something that Team V sort of stood together and collectively took a call to sort of come on OTT. Dilraju sir is one of the biggest producers in Telugu, and if he makes a decision about his film, it will definitely be thought through. I trust him on that. And Mohan sir, Nani and Dilraju sir discussed, and I think we were trying to, for the right reasons, we were trying to push it as long as we can to make sure that we released in theaters, because it was a film that was made for that theatrical experience, to watch it on big screen, because every little bit of work that was put in to make it visually brilliant, and even you can close your eyes and just listen to the whole film and still understand what and get into the world of that Mohan sir created with V, I think. So with Bishwadeep Chatterjee ji doing such a beautiful job with sound design, and Taman came in and did a fabulous job with BGM and Amit Trivedi's music, and there's Martan sir who edited the film. Vinda sir, absolutely, like this is probably Vinda sir, the cinematographer's best work yet, and such a solid team, technically brilliant team. So we were all looking forward to seeing this in theaters first. But nevertheless, this situation, this decision was solely made based on the current circumstance, and I think this is a win-win situation, not just for Amazon and for the producers, but also for the audience, because you're just like you guys. Even I've been waiting to watch a really good regional film on OTT, and I'm super happy that V is the first film that's going to come directly on OTT, and I'm super excited to hear what you guys have to say. All right, I think I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you all so much for joining me. I promise I will do this more often. Now, since I have the time, and I will do this more often. But thank you all so much. About all the other films, I promise I will get back to you soon. But I am very eagerly waiting to see what you guys have to say about V. This is a very special film for Nani. It is his 25th. It's a milestone, and ilanti oka role తీసి చూస్ చేసి ఇంత బాగా చేయడం అనేది I think is yeah, I'm really happy for Nani, and has such an amazing with Sudhir. Sudhir is a fantastic actor. This film is going to be very, very, very good for Sudhir. He's done a fantastic job, and it was lovely, absolutely lovely to know Aditi, and I'm sure she must have killed it in this film. And just like you guys, I am looking forward to watching V on Amazon Prime on September 5th. Super excited. మాటల్లో చెప్పలేకపోతున్నా. I am looking forward to it. We will all catch up soon after the film's release. We'll talk and let me know what you guys felt. Thank you for joining. Bye guys, take care.